Hello, how are you guys? In this video I'm going to show you two expressions we use a lot in Arabic language. Hard times. So I love it so much. So you have sometimes no words to express what you feel, what do you want to say. For example, you just say in English, sorry. So we don't say that. We don't say I'm sorry for everything. So we have to be like more sensitive about the feelings, and we have to express that with our mouth, with what we say, of course. So in this video you have two expressions. So let's see these two expressions. This one is Allah يفرجها. Allah يفرجها. Sometimes we don't pronounce the ha sound, so we would just say Allah يفرجها. Allah يفرجها. And by the way, it's used in spoken and in the standard, both ways. So Allah يفرجها. Allah يفرجها. We say that literally, يفرج, the thing means like to make it a little bit wider and much better. So wider and better. When you say wider, you mean like it's better, of course. So because narrow stuff are so tight. So instead of the tight times, like the stress times, we have the wider ones, which is, for example, when you say Allah yafrajha, you mean God really make the things better, inshallah. So God make things better. So when you say that Allah yafrajha, the conjugation is the ha. So why are we referring it as the it feminine, it which is ha, feminine? We use it for, like, example, it's a mushkila. We have it like a mushkila. Mushkila is problem in Arabic. And problem, mushkila in Arabic, it's feminine. The noun mushkila is feminine. This is why we would say Allah yafrajha. We say Allah yafrajha for the mushkila, for the problem. So this is the first one in Arabic language for saying, inshallah, hopefully things will get better. So I hope God will make things better. The second one, the second expression for the hard times we use it as Allah ya'in. Allah ya'in. Ya'in is to support someone. So Allah ya'in, may God support you, help you. This is what we mean by Allah ya'in. So for example, if someone is telling me that I'm having hard times, we just say Allah yafrajha or Allah ya'in. Allah ya'in. So this is it. These are the two expressions for the hard times. I hope you like it. If you like it, please go subscribe my channel, and bye bye in our next videos.